Hey guys, I'm back in my YouTube channel which is called Anil Mangubaju. Today I have very delicious recipe which you can make at your home very easily, which is called cookies, crackle top cookies. For that we need this ingredient: 2 number egg, 2 number egg, sugar 205 gram, oil 60 gram, vanilla essence 10 gram, flour 130 gram, cocoa powder 60 gram, salt 4 gram and baking powder 5 gram. So now I am going to tell you the procedure to make the cookies. So first you have to put egg in this. So now you put sugar in this. So for some time you have to mix in a first speed. So now you have to add vanilla essence in this and mix another 5 seconds. So now you have to add oil in this and mix it very slowly. So now this egg mixer is ready. So now you have to mix dry ingredients in a bowl. And the cocoa powder, salt and the baking powder. Mix it properly. So you should mix properly. So now mixer is ready. So now you have to pour. Now you have to keep in the fridge for setting. At least 4 hours you need to put in the fridge to make the good ball. So when it will get set, then only you can make very good ball. Otherwise you cannot. So now this cookie is set to make a ball. So you can take a little bit. It is sticky. If you put in the one night at the fridge, so result will come out very good. So now you have to take at least 20 gram. This is 24. 20 gram. Okay. So I'm keeping here only. Okay, 20 gram. So now you have to make a ball like this, and little bit you have to press and coat in a icing sugar. Icing sugar is not in a recipe. You use icing sugar only for coating. So you have to put in a tray. So take another ball, press like this much. Very nicely you have to coat from everywhere. So now I'm going to bake this cookies. You have to make a preheated oven which is in 180 degrees centigrade. This should be baked till 12 minutes. Wow, it's come out very nice. Slowly it's coming out crack on top of the cookies. Very nice. So now it's ready. Wow, it's looking so delicious. It's very much crack came out on the top. It's called Crackle top cookies. Wow, it came out very nice. Thank you. Nice coffee, huh? Wow, it looks so yummy. Wow, so nice taste. Wow, there's no comment for this. Very nice, very nice. Guys, you can now enjoy my cookies at your home. It's very easy. You can make very easily. You can make at your home. Please have a enjoy.